Is Forex.com a good broker? The allure of financial markets, particularly the foreign exchange Forex market, has drawn countless individuals seeking to capitalize on global economic fluctuations. Among the myriad of brokers offering Forex trading services, Forex.com has emerged as a prominent player. However, the question remains, is Forex.com a reliable broker? To answer this, a comprehensive analysis of user reviews, comments, and industry insights is necessary. A surprising fact about the Forex market is that it's the largest financial market in the world, surpassing the combined daily trading volume of all stock exchanges. This immense liquidity can offer both opportunities and risks for traders. Another lesser-known statistic is that approximately 80% of retail Forex traders lose money. This underscores the importance of choosing a reliable broker that can provide essential tools, resources, and support. Forex.com, a subsidiary of StoneX Group, has been operating since 2001. It is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, and the U.K. Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. This regulatory oversight provides a degree of security and trust for traders. One of the most frequently praised aspects of Forex.com is its wide range of trading platforms. Clients can choose from proprietary platforms like Trading Station and MetaTrader 4, MT4, offering various features and tools to suit different trading styles. Additionally, Forex.com provides educational resources, including webinars, articles, and market analysis, to help traders develop their skills. However, while Forex.com offers several advantages, it's important to consider potential drawbacks. Some users have reported issues with customer support, particularly during peak trading hours. Additionally, the broker's fees, including spreads and commissions, may vary depending on the account type and trading volume. It's crucial to carefully review these costs and compare them to other brokers. Furthermore, the Forex market is inherently volatile, and no broker can guarantee profits. Even with a reliable broker, there's always the risk of losses. Therefore, it's essential to have a sound trading strategy, manage risk effectively, and stay informed about market trends. In conclusion, Forex.com is generally considered a reputable broker in the industry. Its regulation, trading platforms, and educational resources make it an attractive option for many traders. However, potential clients should carefully evaluate their individual needs and preferences before making a decision. By conducting thorough research and considering factors such as fees, customer support, and trading platforms, traders can make an informed choice and increase their chances of success in the Forex market.